see for a getaway? Car top down and we're driving just to feel young, moving away to the sea.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's day 2 in Ooty and it's currently 8 a.m. in the morning. We are about to start the next day and आज का प्लान है ऊटी बोट हाउस देखने का. शायद पाइकारा लेक भी जाएंगे. लेट्स सी. तो आज सोचा है मैंने ये वाला टॉप पहनूंगी and any one of these pants, whichever is comfortable. Let's get. I'm back.
Moving away, can't you see? Sand in your feet, feel the breeze in the summertime. Stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on baby, let me tell you one time that our
New day, new start. On the second day, we were headed to the Doda Betta Peak. 9 km from Ooty, this is the highest mountain in the Nilgiris at 2,637 meters from the sea level. Located at a 30 minutes drive from the main city, the Doda Betta Peak offers a beautiful scenic view of the entire mountain, which you can enjoy to your heart's content at a nominal entry fee. Moreover, the view that you get when traveling towards the location and back is covered mostly by trees on both the sides and is absolutely breathtaking. It is open from 7 am till 5 pm in the evening. This place is a must visit.
Get off your seat, clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah. In the Caribbean, yeah. Dan, 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 smoke, 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 fire.
And if you want to witness the best view, do not forget to climb up to the telescope towers. You will get to see this tunnel type of entrance once you enter from the main gate towards your left. This road is the entrance to the Suicide Point, which is the main highlight of this location. From beautiful mountains to the tea gardens makes Ooty one of the most popular destinations for bikers. You can be a coffee lover or a hot chocolate lover, but you can never say no to a garam adrak chai ki pyali. So that is exactly why our next destination was the tea factory or the tea museum.
So we have reached the tea museum और हम अभी जा रहे हैं एडवेंचर पार्क, जो टी म्यूजियम के लोकेशन पे ही है.
The adventure park here is not only famous for its zip lining but also for its beautiful and breathtaking view of the entire Ooty town.
Feel the breeze in the summertime, stars in the sky, one dime for a first time. Moving away to the sea. Moving away, can't you see? We'll drink honey by the ocean.
You can experience this demonstrative and guided tour of how the tea dust is made from the leaves at a nominal entry fee of about 10 rupees. This includes how the tea is collected, crushed, transferred, separated, and processed to get the final product, which is the tea dust. Apart from drinking a sample of their tea, you also have the option to buy from a varieties of teas and oils from all the collection that they have. After having visited the tea factory, you also have the option to explore their chocolate museum where they prepared the premium kinds of chocolates.
In the Caribbean, yeah. Smoke, 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 fire it up.
So this was it guys. I hope you enjoyed this short and simple vlog of our second day in Ooty.
We'll drink.
So coming up next is the last and final installment of our Ooty series. Till then, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye bye.
No.